All right, so this isn't anything too extreme, but we found this nice, nasty little hill. And, I mean, it's not too much to it, but there's some nice little dips and turns here, and I want to take some video of the pilot going over them. You can see. Anyways, so. All right, come on. Kind of makes it look like nothing. Can't see anything because my lights are so bright. She's having a little bit too much fun there. Yeah, it's so disgusting how people just dump their trash everywhere. Having too much fun there. All right, good test.